This video is going to explain how to use SolidWorks to create a cable. Start new. Click on Part. Click on OK. Here we need to make sure this sketch is selected. Then we select the circle by center point and click on the plate, move to the center, click, drag away, click, enter 40 as the radius, and adjust the view on the screen and choose line command. Move to the side of the circle, click, drag outwards, click, and move away, double click, the other side, click, drag up, click, enter 150. Away, double click. This one, we need to change the length. Right. Press Escape key and click on this one and print 50. Right. The next is to use trim command. Make sure power trim is on each crosses line. It is paired. Now the path is created. Accept it. Accept it again. So we have this sketch created. Then we can move on to the feature and click on this subtrusion command. You see the system choose as path. Then we can click on the circular plate profile and enter 8 as the diameter. Right. So the cable is on. Let's click on green tick. Now we have the cable done. Right. Then you can save it to disk. That's it.